Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix you cannot change storefront information at the time an iPhone or iPad. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and you're having the issue that you cannot change your storefront information, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you have to make sure that you have a strongest and stable network connection because these type issues might have with the poor network connection. And then you have to open the settings application, then go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that your VPN is not connected, or if you find a connected VPN, try to disconnect with that, and after that go back and then go for language region, select region and select the same region which you want to add in your app store. And once you have done, you have to go back from here, and then you have to try to update your software because pending software updates might have errors with your network. Once you have done, you have to go back and go for screen time settings, and then go for content privacy restrictions, so and disable all the restrictions from here that I have already disabled. Once you have done, go back, then go for general again. If you're still having the same issue, so you have to make a reset with your network settings. So now to do that, select transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Enter your passcode and select reset network settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will not delete your data, so you can easily try this. It will just reset your network setting, including your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, cellular, and your hotspot. So it will not delete and enable your data, so you can easily try this fix, and after that all of your network settings will be resetted, and after that you'll not get this issue. Or if you're still having the same issue, you have to open your app store, or you can use Apple Store Web, and from here just select your iPhone and then select more option, then select App Store, and now you just start to select get more help, then select call us. Now you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple support team member. You can discuss about the issue and get official help from there. So in this way you can easily fix if you cannot change your storefront information. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.